Hey gang, Dave Aguilera with you in Colorado's Weather Center. Well, we're watching a storm coming in. We made it into the 70s today. That's going to be last of the 70s for a while, so I really hope you enjoyed the weather today. 73 officially at DIA. We made it to 66 in Boulder, 64 in Greeley, and 65 in Fort Collins. Look at those 80s, though, from Ackerman and Ray down to Pueblo, La Junta, and Lamar. Beautiful temperatures out there popping up today. Already on the satellite and radar. Now, this is the image from 6:14, and you can see snow in the mountains, thunderstorms moving in out west with the moisture coming in. So there's some convection out there. We've had a few clouds pass over the front range here, but no rain to speak of. We might get some overnight rain. Double-barreled system here. You could really make out two low-pressure areas, one in Nevada, one over LA down here. So those two are going to affect us in the next 24 hours. Here's how it plays out. One little bit of energy over LA shoots up to the north. That produces quite a bit in the way of snow overnight tonight into Sunday. For Denver, maybe an overnight rain shower into the morning on Sunday. Then that shoots out of here. Then that deep low starts to dig over LA, and then that starts to move in coming up for Monday, and that's when the snow starts to develop for Denver and the eastern plains. Now, ahead of this, we have a high wind warning for the eastern side of Colorado, midnight Sunday through the morning, with some big winds expected out there. 60 to 80 mile per hour gusts of wind could pop up, so it's really going to be big south wind with the jet stream in the front approaching. Snow will ramp up in the mountains. That's the look at the map. About 2 o'clock in the morning overnight, little rain in Denver in the front range, maybe even a few isolated thunderstorms might kick up. Then in the middle of the day, clear to partly cloudy skies out east with snow continuing in the mountains. And then for eastern Colorado, the snow comes into play late in the day on Monday on into Monday night. So the biggest of the snow will be in the high country now through Monday night. 40 mile per hour wind gusts with up to a foot of snow or more in the central and southwestern mountains coming your way. And the wind gusts are just going to be incredible, especially down there in southern Colorado. Here's a look at the snow forecast, and it does include some of the other areas, including the Denver metro area. By the time we get to Tuesday morning here, we could see maybe an inch or less around the Denver metro area, 1 to 2 on the grassy areas in Boulder and Fort Collins, and 1 to 2 out here in the northeastern corner. That'll happen probably Monday night into Tuesday morning as this system comes through. And of course, we already showed you up to a foot of snow or more in some of the central and the San Juan mountains. Down there in southwestern Colorado, it's going to be rough. Overnight temperatures tonight, 40s and 50s down low, teens and 20s in the mountains, and highs tomorrow a little cooler, 50s and 60s showing up in the eastern plains with 40s, 30s in the mountains, maybe some low 50s out there in western Colorado. So for Denver, overnight in the 40s, increasing clouds, maybe some overnight rain and very windy. Then tomorrow, near 60 for the high, morning rain, then mostly sunny and very windy tomorrow, too, up to 40 mile per hour gusts. On Monday, could see an inch or less of snow. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday still cool in the 40s, but clearing out. Maybe a night flurry on Wednesday, and then in the 50s for next weekend, the way things look right now.